After a very volatile week, we see the market pump right up, and right now on EURUSD, market is down. This week was very volatile. We moved from the Fed interest rate decision and the FOMC press conference into Swiss National Bank interest rate, and then we have the GBP interest rate and also the ECB. All of these make this week very volatile. And if you look at the chart, the market move upward and come back down on EURUSD, and on AUD/USD you see the market pump a little bit upward, and then right here market is consolidating. Is the market going to drop as we open market on Monday? And also on the USDJPY, I talked to you about this important level of supply, which is a very important level, and market just come into that very area a little bit and then come back right down. What are you going to expect in the next week of trading? And that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and technical analysis. And right here on the EURUSD chart, if you look at it, market from this very area, I told you in one of my videos that the market is going to move upward if we see Fed keep interest rates unchanged. And that is the exact same thing we see from Federal Reserve. They kept interest rates unchanged with a very dovish statement, and that was what made this market to pump for about 24 hours. You see the market move upward and into this level of important resistance, and then from this level of resistance right here, market begin to come back to the downside. Obviously, as we open the market on Monday, I am expecting this market to continue this movement to the downside, because the market is still very fragile to move to the upside. What I mean is that if you look at the Fed interest rate decision and the dovish statement of the Federal Reserve chairman, it is covered that the ECB have a counterbalance effect on this very pair. So I am expecting that the market move a little bit downward into this level of important support before we see a peak again to the upside. So on the other hand, I am still expecting this market to move upward, but before that movement is going to happen, as we open the market on Monday, the market is going to come back down a little bit into this area of support. Then from this level, market is going to move upward again. So look for buy opportunity on EURUSD. So EURUSD is still going to buy to the upside. All you need to do is to wait for the market to move a little bit downward, because this retracement is necessary for the market to move upward. So after retracement, there will be continuation of the market to the upside. So wait for the market to correct a little bit into this level of a very important support. At this very point is where I'm expecting the market to get into before the next move upward. So this is what you have to pay attention to right now, and next week the market will not be that volatile compared to what we see in this very last week of trading. AUD/USD, if you look at the market move upward and lacks momentum to move to the upside. Even while EURUSD was moving to the upside, we see AUD/USD begin to consolidate within this area of resistance, and market should come back down as we resume the market on Monday. This is what I am expecting. Market should come back down into this very area of important resistance at this very point. So market should come back down before continuation upward. This is what I am expecting right now on this very chart. This very level of important resistance should turn support for the market to move upward. So expect the market to react, come back down into this level before the next move upward on AUD/USD. So AUD/USD should retrace before continuation. Wait for the market to retrace first of all, and then after retracement is a nice time to take a buy position for the market to move upward. So don't just jump into taking a buy position after the market opened on Monday. Wait for that very reaction to the downside. Then after that reaction to the downside, probably into this very level, market is going to move upward again, and I am going to update you as well on this very channel. And lastly, on USDJPY, if you watch one of my last videos, I told you that this very level of supply is very important and also a resistance level, then that the market is going to move upward, and then from here market is going to come back down. Market did not really enter into that level as expected, but nevertheless market come back to the downside as expected. So market move all the way from here downward, and this very movement was championed by the Fed rate. Okay, so the federal rate come out and the market begin to move to the downside, and right now we have consolidation right here. Consolidation, market is going to retrace before continuation back down again on this very chart. One thing about USDJPY chart is that the market is still in a downtrend. If you look at this market has been moving downward all the way up to this very point. So until we see a fail swing, what I mean is that until we see the market move up to the upside and fail to create a new low lower than this very low at this very point, then expect the market to still come back to the downside. So expect the market to retrace into this very area of 144.44 and this very level of 145.49. Within this area, market is going to come back down again and create a possible new low on this very pair. This is what I am expecting right now, and this is what you need to focus and pay attention to as we resume the next trading week. So pay attention to all of this, and if you are new to this channel, please help like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and technical analysis. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.